Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sid's Blue Sky Farm. We're off to a good start this week. I've been doing a little harvesting. I'm going to take you over and show you a little bit of the progress we've made in the last few days. Here's the part of the aftermath of sweet corn yesterday. That basket was overflowing this morning, but my wife took a little bit of cut corn to her office to pass along to some folks there. We're going to take a quick trip out, kind of keep our eyes on everything. It's the first time I've been out this morning. Make sure everything is working as it should. Another view of the zinnia crop's progress. And the pool continues to actually work really well this year. We're down a little bit, but the rains have been just consistent enough to keep the water level in pretty good shape. One other update, a very nice big palm tree, some sort of palm that I tried to kill during the winter, seems to be fighting back, so maybe there's hope for this one after all. And when I talk about gardening failure this year, here's a perfect example. I anticipated my bucket garden doing quite well since the rest of the fields weren't. And I want to show you what the problem seems to be constantly. Let me just reach in here and grab this tomato. You see the bottom rot splitting and the very tiny size. The tomatoes just don't make any progress. I'm kind of stumped. I'll be honest with you. I don't know what else to do. I think more than likely I'm going to stop growing tomato vines since I can't grow tomatoes and just pile it all up in the mulch pile. But anyway, we gave it our best shot. There's always next year. And even though we just finished bush hogging not very long ago, you can tell this field is growing back pretty quickly. Field corn is done. There are a few watermelons down there, and we have a few watermelons over here by the fence, if you remember. We'll work on those later on. There's a little bit of an update on the crabapple tree progress. They're hanging in there, as well as the quince on the tree just behind it. Here's our project for the weekend. We're going to come back and try to do a little bit more work on getting this cultivator squared away and maybe have it operational. I don't know. Just try to figure that out later on. Let's head over to the little garage area and check on how much corn we picked yesterday. And there's the story. The old side-by-side bed's pretty full. I picked corn all afternoon and shucked that entire basket full, and gonna drop off some few ears to some friends here in a little while. So far, we have had very little success with anything other than corn, eggplant, and watermelon. Tomatoes have been a complete bust, and that's just, I think, due to the weather. Just hasn't been tomato growing weather. That'll be all right. We'll work on it, try to improve that soil over the winter and see if we can't have a better overall garden next year. Not sure I ever showed you guys this picture. There's the remnants of the oak tree that split during our birthday party. It's now down on the ground, and a little work ahead if I want to make firewood out of any of that stuff. But it's a very nice, a little bit overcast. Might be getting a little bit more rain later today. But always beautiful, always pleasant. And I always feel blessed and happy when I walk out here and take a look at our old place. Hope you guys have a good week. We'll be back if we can find some other interesting things down in the garden or in the pastures or maybe down at the pond. And we'll talk about those later on. So until we get back together, have a great week. See you.